What's good, YouTube? It's Kelo. So today's video I'm going to react to is Moms Dating Sons. This new show is Cringe. I ain't never heard this show before, but Moms Dating Sons. What kind of show is this? But probably something stupid. But let's watch.
My secret is I slept with your best friend.
Gag, honey.
I'm happy to say that this video is sponsored by Scentbird. Scentbird is a fragrance queen.
My name is April Jane, and I am in my 50s. I'm vintage, rare, fine. Open to the adventure. I'm open to having a connection with another younger man. I hope I'm really gonna find love.
When I meet good looking, my type of man, I introduce myself, say, hey, I'm so young and I'm so.
I'm Kelly, I'm 50 years old, and my alter ego is Disco Mommy. Who and who? Disco Mommy loves house music. And Disco Mommy, she's really spontaneous. She's just fun.
Oh, really?
I have 6 amazing kids from the same guy. I'm like, no, why would I have 6 kids from the same guy? Hello?
Please head to the house where you will meet the new men in your life.
Whoa,
Excuse me?
What's going on?
Wait, there are moms? Wait, there are moms?
Wait, that's their real moms?
What?
That's my mom right there.
Oops.
What in the world?
¿Qué es aquí?
Oh my God. What is this? I am really confused right now. What is really happening here?
We're supposed to date the other moms?
You're here. That's so weird.
Yeah.
That is so weird.
And I'm gonna have
Oh, I was thinking they was dating their own mom, but they dating someone else's mom. That's kind of weird.
to see my son date these moms.
What? Who? You?
Yeah.
Electric chair.
Older women are very hot, and I know I got the swag, and I got the game for them.
Wow. This is like news to me.
Yes, Mom. Yes.
I'm in the hot tub at 10. Don't judge me.
No, he's 20.
No, I'm gonna be 21.
Oh, you're the baby.
Yeah, you gonna be 22, right?
I'm gonna be 22.
You said you were his
We wanted to take this adventure. It literally fell in our lap from the heavens.
Bruh.
And
I can't. I'm sorry.
Can you stop and just let me talk?
Can you do it again? Can you not say, why are you saying heavens?
Because that's
I feel like he would definitely just have my back and be by my side and be in my corner.
I'm not calling you dad.
I feel like
and all the young men take their shirts off.
I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon.
I want you.
These old women trying to stay young.
To go out and touch all of the young men. Which one is their son?
I mean, that's pretty weird to me.
Yeah.
I'm very excited, so I can feel the abs a little bit.
No.
I got last, so you can meet me at the bungalow outside.
Oh, I can't.
Sorry, I can't hear you over there.
And I'm just like,
You're welcome.
I can't do a show like this. They got to be like getting paid a lot to do this.
This entire time, he's going to come upstairs. Come
I
upstairs.
think I'm just gonna go to sleep.
No. The second room on the left.
It's like, we're
oh my God, you gotta be joking.
I'm a man of great taste. I'm a very big feet person.
I'm gonna stop you right there.
Paula has these feet that I just want to like oil up and lather and just massage and get real warm and then paint her toenails, suck the acrylic off them toes,
Wait, what?
shove them in my mouth.
That is disgusting. Ew.
I used to do that with Jose when he was smaller.
here.
I love to do that with kids, so...
Hola! I get the fantasy suite tonight. You don't. You actually don't. No.
I think Jose is open to love, and I'm gonna show him that I'm the one he should be with.
You're mine.
We need to call the police. Call the police. Hey, Mom! No, I can't.
She never wears bras, and the girls are always popping out. You know, the headlights are always on.
It didn't bother you when you were a baby sucking on a mirror, so let's keep it real.
She said she trying to
I
get
needed
her
the
groove
milk,
back.
Mom. I needed some energy. We need to write down some of our deepest, darkest secrets. We're gonna be revealing these to the entire house.
I got pink eye from ass. What?
Okay, my secret is I slept with your best friend.
Gag, honey.
They're not laughing with you, sister. They're laughing at you.
I'm a little traumatized right now, I'm not gonna lie.
So young, likes them so young.
On there it says, please do not touch the gumballs. Why are they there then?
I didn't expect this at all. Really.
Wait a minute, how do you not know what you're signing up for? You already did this, girl.
So, Paula. Yes? I'm taking your son out on a date.
You big, fat, white, nasty, smelling, fat bitch.
You are?
Never. 2 seconds later.
So, this is the place that you brought me.
Yeah.
This is the Mushroom Rock.
Yeah.
I've seen that online. I wanted to come here.
Okay.
Do you love it?
I love it. Thank you. And I'm happy to share this with you. The mushroom rock.
I wanted to go there.
Well,
Take me. Next time you can take me. No. Yeah.
Hold on. Go.
Vamos a hablar español. Ven, vamos a ver. Sí, estamos hablando de ti. It's my first language, our first language.
You're not here to speak your first language.
What is wrong with her?
Really?
Why can't we speak Spanish?
Oh, then go speak it when you're by yourself.
No.
I'm gone.
You're explaining people. It's
So she getting mad because someone is speaking their own language? That's stupid.
Y'all already know who I am. My name's Topher, and
Quick reminder to use code OFFENSIVET55 for 55% off your first month at Scentbird, the best fragrance subscription out there.
That was weird. Listen, my mom would never. She would never do that. I would never thought they would come up a type of reality TV show where a son would date someone else. Mom, that's something I would never do. Now, if you pay me like $10 million, I would probably, but not cash. Yeah, this is weird. But anyway, if you would like me to see any other videos, just comment below and make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.